Well, hello. Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry D from Tennessee. Coming at you. Let's go talk about a stock here. FERN. All right. FERN, Fernhill Corporation. Fernhill Corporation is a diversified technology holding company that has interests in and seeks to acquire, build, and develop businesses in mobile applications, blockchain, digital assets, as in crypto. So, SaaS, fintech, alternative energy solutions, as well as other technologies that address the world's leading environmental and social concerns. Fernhill supports and pursues ESG initiatives and is signatory member of the Crypto Climate Accord, CCA. I've been in this stock for a little while. This is a long-term hold for me. And if you check the chart on the day, it's up 20.71%. Okay? And this is after news on August 25th, 2 days ago. Fernhill Corp, FERN is the ticker, is pleased to announce it has signed a letter of intent to acquire a groundbreaking digital asset crypto trading platform. In the company's continued mission to expand its presence in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry, it has recently signed a letter of intent to acquire an institutional digital asset trading company serving banks and hedge funds with technology, strategy development, automated algorithmic trading, best execution, smart order routing, and risk exposure analytics. One of the most compelling features of the target's technology is that it is directly integrated with over 25 different leading cryptocurrency exchanges to provide the best execution price for any crypto trading pair, providing seamlessly liquidity on a global scale. In short, this platform bridges the gap between cryptocurrencies and the more traditional trading platforms. So if you've been following any of the news and the financial news, crypto has been big. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just a number of different number of cryptocurrencies. Crypto's here to stay. It's really gaining more interest as time moves on, and I expect the cryptocurrency will keep going. It is fairly popular with the current people that's trading is stocks. There's people that trade, the stock in the stock market. They're into crypto as well. There's probably some people that just do crypto. But that being said, crypto trades about the same as just over-the-counter stocks. A lot of the crypto's still fairly cheap for you to get into. This platform is going to give you access to more. Give you more access to trading, and I feel that this technology, this Fernhill, this stock, which is what price now? It is like over 1.5 cents. Okay, so it's still a cheap stock to get into. So as it gets into this industry, and if we look back over here, let's look back over here. They are OTC Pink. They have a verified profile. So transfer agent is verified. So if you're looking to get into something, if you don't want to buy into crypto, but this is crypto related, you want to get into something that's crypto related, this may be a good option for you. Again, I've got a small position in this company. This is a long-term hold for me. This is not what some people would call, you flip it as soon as it goes. I could have dumped it today, but I'm still in it, and I plan on being in it for a while. I think this stock has a lot of potential to go on up in price. I mean, like I said, it's less than 2 cents a share. So, if you're on a budget and you're wanting something that if you look at over time, 6 months, let's look at 6 months. So it's had its ups and downs, but every time it spikes, it holds a newer high. It's on a trend up. So as you can see right here, long term over 1 year. So, and it's holding its price. Every time it spikes, it holds a little higher price. See, it spiked a little bit, a little higher here, spiked a little bit, it was a little higher in here. It dipped down, almost down to where it had been, but then it had a big spike here to 2 cents. And it's still holding a little higher price. Every time it spikes, it holds a little higher price. So, it's on a slow, steady climb up. Not a real fast climb, but a slow, steady climb up. And with my experience, you don't want it to go up too fast, because if it goes up real fast, it may come down pretty hard. So, yeah, I want a slow, steady climb. And, you know, I think it's a good long-term hold. Fernhill, FERN. So, like I said, crypto's here to stay. Let's bring another one over here while we're talking about crypto. This is kind of a different, well, yeah, it's a technology company, but it's still into crypto. They're getting into blockchain crypto stuff. So let's show you this one. This is another long-term hold of mine. Life Clips. LCLP. It's a long-term hold for me. It's also with the previous one, this previous stock I just showed you, Fernhill. This one is on the climb up. It's a little more expensive. They are pink current. They've got a show risk. I don't know why. They've marked that as being but they're pink and current. So, Life Clips is focused on delivering the world's best global sourcing, logistics, and multi-channel sales and marketing services. Our mission is to be the world's most customer-focused and efficient way to obtain and distribute products and services globally. Our core business consists of 5 synergistic business units: global sourcing services, global 3PL logistics services, multi-channel retail sales and marketing, our own branded products, and 5 U.S. and global manufacturing operations. So, they filed an 8K. There's a Form 8K off. It's a link off the OTC markets. Life Clips Incorporated has closed its acquisition on Belfrix Holdings Limited and its related entities, collectively Belfrix, operating cryptocurrency exchanges and blockchain development services in Asia and Africa. The entities acquired are, and here's a whole list. And as you can see, they're at 5, they're nickel a share, almost 6 cents a share. They're up 10% today. As you can see, they're on the climb up. So, and off of the news of the closing Belfrix Group acquisition, so they're getting in the blockchain technology is what crypto was built off of. So, excuse me. I think this is another long, hard-term hold. This is actually, for me, it is anyway. So they're on the climb up. I could have probably made a little bit of money on this, but I'm going to hold it long term. It's down a little bit, but like with the other one, We spike, we hold a little higher price. It's just tending to hold a steady. Every time we spike, we hold a little higher price. So we'll see what happens Monday. As they release more news, this stock is going to go on up. So over 5 years, they stayed steady, and then they're getting into crypto. So with the news that they're fixing to get into cryptocurrency, with all the hype about crypto, the stock is taking off. So they had previously been less than a cent, like under a half a cent, and they're up to a nickel now. And I've been in this one for a while, for long term. I do feel that this stock will be around for a while. I'm going to be in it for a while. This long-term hold. Just make more money than what your savings account's going to make, that's for sure. So 10% gain on the day. You can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. So right there, that was just a couple of quick stocks I want to talk about. I'm into that. It looks like some things, some of the rumors. I bought into the rumor on, I think I probably talked about these stocks too a while back in a previous video, but there's been a lot of chatter about these two stocks out on Twitter, and looks like the news is coming to fruition. They are both on the climb up. I do expect them to go on up over time. So this is just a long-term hold for me. I have a small position in this in Life Clips as well. So Fernhill, FERN, and Life Clips LCLP. Two stocks that I'm in. Just wanted to mention those. They're both crypto. Getting into the crypto market. So you know, this is a way to invest into crypto without getting into crypto, without going out and buying Bitcoin or Doge or some of the others. So this is just another option you have if you're not comfortable with buying Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies. This is an option to get into crypto, is to buy into these companies that's got the technology that's in the blockchain that they're going to be putting out apps to where people can buy and sell. So it's pretty close to something like I mean it's almost like these companies are going to be like the crypto version of E-Trade or Fidelity or TD Ameritrade, except they're going to be crypto. Being in these technologies, they're just going to give people a platform to buy and sell crypto coins. And so it's just another platform to buy into. You buy into the company. Once they get in, they release their apps, they start trading, the prices of these two companies are going to go up. So about like Robinhood. So you know, except I don't think these companies are going to be trading stocks. I believe these are going to be strictly crypto in the future. I believe that's what their target is. So anyway, I hope everybody's having a good week. This past week's been a sad week. Lost my little buddy that hung out with me, Sulley the cat. I've had this cat a little while, but he passed away this past week. So there's some Sulley cat. Anyway, I want to miss a little bugger. He was a good little companion of mine. He used to hang out on my lap while I was making these YouTube videos, and boy, I tell you what, they become family members, you know, like one of your own kids, and it's just hard sometimes when you lose them. But he was a good little cat. Rest in peace, my little friend. You will be missed. But anyway, you know, that's part of life. Unfortunately, you know, we live longer than they do. And maybe that's a good thing, because it'd be bad if I passed away. Somebody else would have to pick up and take care of him. But not that I wished anything bad for him. He was a good companion, I tell you. He was a blue Russian cat. He was diagnosed back 2019 as having feline HIV. So yeah, he apparently they can hold the disease. They can inherit it from their parents if their parents have the disease, and it'd be dormant, and then all of a sudden, pow, you know, it just becomes active, and he just started losing weight. Just eventually lost his appetite, and then that was it. But I want to miss a little feller. So anyway, I got my dog still. I have a Siamese cat that's a good companion. She's not quite a lap cat though. She's one that she'll come around when she's hungry, but she won't hang out in her lap like Sulley did. But anyway, hope everybody had a good week. Hope you had a profitable week. Hope this next week will be a good one. Hopefully the stocks are fixing to take off again, and looks like these two digital currency stocks, Bitcoin stocks. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, I hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh my word. Cloudy day, looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.